spending or investing on for infrastructure projects. During the 10 years, last 10 years, means 12 years, from the 2014 to 2026, the central government has declared that the infrastructure investments on infrastructure projects has crossed more than 12 lakh crores. That is 12 lakh crores per annum. Means earlier, before 2014, the central government, the expenditure for investment for infrastructure project was less than around 2 lakhs crores per annum. But now, after this government came into power, this NDA government came into power from 2014 onwards, now the expenditure on infrastructure projects is increased by 6 times a year, from 2 lakh crores to 12 lakh crores per annum. During the recently, the Prime Minister has dedicated 210 kilometers highway from Dehradun to Delhi with 6 lanes, access controlled Delhi Dehradun Expressway to the nation. Also, the central government has declared that the infrastructure projects worth 2.25 lakh crores are projects underway in Uttarakhand state alone. The Delhi Dehradun Express Highway has been constructed with an investment of rupees 12,000 crores. By also the wildlife corridor has been, the project has taken care of wildlife corridor on the elevated section of Delhi Dehradun economic corridor and significantly reduced travel time and cost for travelers from Delhi to Dehradun. This will reduce the cost of fuel, life of the vehicle, time, and fuel saving and lower fuel charges. All this will the help the people deciding both the places and who wants to travel from Delhi to Dehradun or Dehradun to Delhi. This infrastructure projects has become a major employment engine, providing livelihood to thousands of engineers, laborers, and transport workers. By undertaking so many infrastructure projects, the central government is able to create thousands of employment to thousands of engineers, laborers, and transport workers. The expressway includes nearly 12-kilometer elevated wildlife corridor designed to ensure that animals, including elephants, face no disruption. Means wildlife protection, wildlife safety has been considered, and without disturbance to uh, elephants and other animals in the forest, so that the project will be undertaken. There will not be disturbance to the wildlife. With the project, the farmers and animal herders also will benefit as the produce reaches larger market with greater speed. What happens is when a product is produced and reach the market early, there will be a lot of advantage that the wastage due to evaporation, dry age will come down, the freshness will continue. The by the freshness, consumers will be ready to pay high price, and the producers also will get, the agriculture producers, the farm producers will get the better price. Means by reducing the transportation time from 6 hours to 2.5 hours, the freshness of the products from Uttarakhand to Delhi will will be maintained. The quality will be maintained. The dry age, the crop loss will be reduced. The freshness will continue. The producers may get better price compared to earlier period where the transportation time was more than 6 hours. This is the purpose of undertaking. Means main purpose of undertaking road transportation projects is due to reduce the traveling time, to reduce the fuel cost, and also life of the vehicle. These are important, and also to protect the quality of the goods supplied from the one destination to others. This is the advantage of the project undertaken by the central government. A road project between Dehradun and Delhi with the investment of rupees 12,000 crores.